Come test drive the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, electronic stability control, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.